I want to show you quickly how to uninstall bad rails for your fence or gate and replace them with new ones. You'd need new screws or nails, an electric screwdriver or drill, measuring tape, level, and your replacement rails. Step 1. Assess the damage. Inspect the existing rails to determine the extent of the damage or if replacement is needed. Step 2. Remove old rails. Use a screwdriver or drill to remove screws or nails securing the old rails. Carefully detach the damaged or old rails from the structure. Step 3. Measure and cut and paint replacement rails. Measure the length needed for the replacement rails. If necessary, use a saw to cut the replacement rails to the appropriate length. I previously explained how to paint pickets and rails. Ensure to watch that video if you're not sure how to paint the rails. Step 4. Align and position replacement rails. Position the replacement rails in the designated spots on the structure. Use a level to ensure they are straight and aligned. Step 5. Secure replacement rails. Use screws or nails to secure the replacement rails to the structure. Ensure they are tightly fastened for stability. Step 6. Double-check the levelness of the replacement rails. Shake or test them to ensure they are securely attached and stable. Step 7. Make adjustments if necessary. If there are any issues with the alignment or stability, make necessary adjustments. This may involve loosening and repositioning the rails. Step 8. Dispose of old rails appropriately. Take a final look at the entire structure to ensure all replaced rails are secure, aligned, and the structure is safe. Save this video as it may come in handy someday, and also follow us for more exciting videos and tips. Catch you on the next DIY.